Inspector Noseworthy, find my shoe.
Inspector Noseworthy, find my shoe.
Now let's see how this is gonna go. I don't know where it is either. I'm thinking that might be it. Emma, come with me. We think. If you open this up and if you're